Satnam everybody, Salimah here. Thank you so much for the birthday messages. July is my birthday month. July 3rd I turned 49. A glorious 49. It was an amazing day, an amazing opportunity to sit with friends and family and to gather. And during that time we were all on the beach together. During that time I thought about you and I thought, what's the best way to offer a gift? Because I'm so grateful that we are together in this global community, is to sit down together and practice a 40-day meditation. This is called a sadhana. And a sadhana is a way of recognizing a daily spiritual practice to emphasize the journey that we're all on. So here's what I propose. Please join me on Sunday, July 19th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, live here on YouTube. And it will be an opportunity for us to talk about this technology of numerology, the year, month, and date of birth and why that's so important, and how as souls we chose that particular date to have our human journey. And then also the meditation itself. We'll practice a meditation together, and that meditation will be chosen for you, for this global audience, for all of us in this global community to practice together. So it doesn't matter if you're in Australia or London or US or Canada or wherever you are in the world, that we'll have a 40-day practice that we'll come together for. And this practice will really give us the power, the perspective, and also the privilege of noticing our journey. And we'll do that together. So please join me on July 19th. It's free to join in. That is Sunday, July 19th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And again, an opportunity for us to explore what is numerology. And maybe you'll want a session just for yourself. And then also we'll practice together a 40-day meditation. And that practice video will be yours to continue on for the remaining 40 days. So more details are coming. And if you'd like a little jump start, please head over to our Facebook page. That's YogaVision, YogaVision Studio, and join us there and join in on the conversation. Lots of love to you, and look forward to practicing, all of us together, a circle of yogis. Satnam. See you very soon.